Hello, my name is Alec, and this is my app, Release Planning and Reviews. This is a website to allow users to be able to enter their favorite upcoming games or movies, and then this website will be able to keep them logged and be able to track it for them. So here, whenever a user comes in, they'll need a login. And what they will see here is a way for them, if they go to the Add Games section, they can be able to add a game. For example, I could type in a game title here that I'm looking forward to. And then they could choose a platform from this drop down. There's, for example, there's Xbox, there's PlayStation, there's the Switch, there's the PC. And then they'll be able to choose a release date through this drop down menu. And then they could set it to whatever it could be the actual release date or whenever they're planning to purchase it or obtain it in some way. You can go ahead and hit submit. And then this will show them the list of all the games that they've added currently. And you could also do this the same way for movies. You can add a movie to the title, choose the platform, which would be Blu-ray, video on demand, cinema, or the DVD, and then choose the release date or whenever you're planning on watching it for there. And then here you'll be able to view whatever you input through that form. Likewise, we have a review system here. They just type in the title, and then they could be able to type in the review here. And there is a minimum of 10 characters usually, so if it's very small amount of review characters, then they probably don't have the need to put it on up through a form, but if there's a lengthy, then there would definitely need to be at least 10 characters. Oh, I made a mistake, but here you can see that the reviews are here, and as you can see I have a duplicate review, so I could go ahead and delete one of these. And then I also made a mistake here, so I also have an edit button I can use to fix that, and go ahead and then resubmit it. So all of these forms have the same functionality to be able to edit and delete, and you can view them. And that's all that the website is able to do for now. Hopefully down the road you'd be able to look through a calendar and you can go through and submit it that way instead of having to select it through here. There should be a more general calendar user interface for the user. And there should also be a way to share it, so just in case you're making a review, you maybe want someone else to read it. You should be able to share it with other users. And lastly, for features, there should be a way for the user to be reminded when the release date has elapsed or the date that they've entered has elapsed. There should be maybe an email sent to the user so that they know that that release date has been reached. And as for the general user interface of the website, I want a more friendly user interface, a more darker one that's more easier on the eyes, and I've chosen to keep the actual information to be less cluttered, and there's more space for the users, so there's less clutter for their eyes. It's a lot more easier on them, I believe. And that is it. Those are the features, and then after that you can log out, and that's all there is for release planning and reviews. Thank you for watching.